This video will show you how to replace your filter on your HP450UV. First, make sure the machine is unplugged. Flip it over. Then remove the bottom of the machine by twisting it. Now remove the old filter located inside the machine. Take the new pre-filter and wrap it around the HEPA filter. Then secure it with the Velcro. Place the filter back into the machine. Add your cover and then flip the machine over. And that's how you can change the filter on your HP450UV. To purchase more filters, visit hunterpureair.com.